Appraisers, this is Brandon Rich with Choice Valuation, and today I have a video going over what I think is some very cool news for us. I hope you think it's really great news for you guys too, but it's definitely good news for us. What we've done is we've decided that with our newest software, Spark, and our future software, that we are going to be using an open and transparent development process. And what that means for you is that you are going to have complete access to the same board we use to develop our software and communicate with each other. So you can look at everything that we see and how we communicate with each other, what we say that we're working on, what we're going to work on, what's done, what bugs there are. You guys will be able to see all that. And not only will you be able to see it, but you'll actually be able to make changes to it and actually affect the development of this software for appraisers. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. You can see right here, I'm at choicevaluation.com. There's the actual site information, and you just click on Spark, and you click on Spark Open Development. And this is just going to take you to a page that's going to explain to you everything I'm about to explain to you. So if you really don't want to listen to me talk, you can just come here and read this. And what I'm going to use this for, though, is to click on the link that will take you straight to our Trello board, which is the board we use to communicate with each other. And it's actually like a forum. It's basically like a forum where you guys can come in here and talk to each other and also to us. So let me explain it. So the first thing you do, and actually let me log out here so you can actually see what it will look like for you. So the first time you come here, this is what you're going to see. You are going to see our forum, and you won't be able to make any changes to it as it is, but you can click on the cards and look at them. You can see any comments there are in the cards. You can see all the things we've talked about regarding integrating in the Miami-Broward area, for example, or any of this. You can see what we've done, what we're doing. This is our to-do list. This is the places we're going to be integrating Spark next. These are known bugs. These top two are where you will actually be doing commenting, and this is what we've done. And then this is an area for future ideas. And then the top left one here, you just click on this, and it basically explains to you how to use the board, and it also gives you our contact information if you want to contact us immediately in case there's some urgent issue. If you have a problem where our software is not giving you the correct results, if it's obviously giving you incorrect information, we don't want that. So we want you to tell us right away, so that we know immediately that it's urgent. So just give us a call, shoot us an email, so we know immediately to take care of it. We do look at this board constantly throughout the day, but most of the time we don't look at it thinking that these issues are going to be urgent. So just give us a call or shoot us an email if that is the case. Okay, so as I said, you don't need an account. It's free. You can come here and see everything that we're working on or we're going to work on. But if you want to actually be active in this and be part of the community, make a change, vote for things, add comments, then you do need an account, but it is free. So you do have to go through the quick sign-up process. You just click here and do that. I'm going to go ahead and log in so you can see what it will look like to you once you are logged in. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. It basically looks the same, except for it doesn't have that bar up here. But now you can come in here, and let's say you're in the Tucson area, and you want Tucson to be added sooner rather than later to Spark's coverage area. What you do is you click on Integrate Spark with Tucson, and click Vote, and vote it. So the more votes we have for an area, the higher it's going to show up on this list, and the items at the top are in general going to be the items that we do first. So right now you can see we're working on our MLS, which is in the Oregon/Washington area. But after we're done with that, we're probably going to move on to whatever's towards the top of this list, assuming we can get access to the MLS and that kind of thing. So come here, vote for your area so that we can move it up to the top of the list. And if you know other appraisers in your area, then get them to vote for it too, because that's going to bring it up in the list as well. Other things you can do, if you see some sort of weird bug, you can click on this card and tell us what the bug is. Spark is bugging out. not very helpful, but you type in whatever your bug is, click comment, and that's all there is to it. It immediately will show up on our page as well, and also show up to other appraisers, so they can come here and say, oh, okay, somebody's experiencing the same bug as I am, and they already know about it. Again, like I said, if it's something that's bad, like drastically bad, and altering your results in a negative way, then tell us immediately just by calling us or emailing us. But otherwise, just post it here. And then other appraisers, when you come in here and you see something, you can click on that same bug you're seeing. Actually, let me back up 1 second. So what happens is when you add a comment to these cards, what we do is we go in there and look at it, and if it's a legitimate bug, then what we'll do is we'll take it out of here and we will give it its own unique card just for that item. So that way people can come in here and click on it and vote for it. So now this has 1 vote. So we know there's at least 1 or 2 people, assuming the person didn't vote for their own thing, but we know there's at least 1 or 2 people that have the same bug. And obviously the more votes something gets, as I said before, the higher it is on our priority list. So just come in here, make your comments, and we will go through those constantly and add their own cards for each item if it needs to be added. Same thing over here. It says add your ideas in here as comments. So you click on the card and you just add in whatever your idea is to make Spark better. So this is basically an area where you tell us what features you want added, what possible new software you'd like us to work on, anything that you want to see as an appraiser as far as software goes. Just let us know here. And again, another comment by me that's not very helpful. And just click comment, and then people will come here, they'll see it. So as I said though, of course, what we'll do first is we'll come in here and notice the comment, and if it's a real thing we can possibly add as a feature or as a new piece of software, then we will give it its own card. So it will then show up down here, and then appraisers can come in here and vote for whatever you put in. And again, the things that get the more votes are the things that are more likely to become actual to-dos. Okay, that's pretty much how it works. As I said, I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to be something really cool. The reason we did all this is because we know that appraisers all over the place want things that we're not expecting. I'm an appraiser myself, as many of you know, and I got into this thinking I knew what appraisers wanted, but I quickly came to find out that that's not true at all. And appraisers everywhere, even appraisers in my own local area right here, they want things done differently than I do. So we want to make this so that it's as good as possible for most of the appraisers out here. Can we do every single thing you ask? Most likely that's not going to happen, but we're definitely going to try, and we're definitely going to look at it, and your feedback is going to change how we develop this software going forward. So I'm really excited about it. I hope we can make this better for you. We want to see it that way, and I think that this might make us the first openly, transparently developed software for appraisers out there. And not only that, but it's also developed by an appraiser myself. So pretty cool. I hope you guys like it, and our new software Spark is launching imminently, so check it out. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.